Exams are coming? Don't panic. Today I'm going to share all the smart things you should do before exams start so you feel calm, prepared, and ready to score high. Want to avoid last-minute stress? Then let's start with a plan. Instead of cramming everything in one day, break your subjects into small chunks. Use a timetable: morning for tough subjects, evening for easy revision. For example, math in the morning when your brain is fresh, geography at night when you're relaxed. Write your plan on paper and stick it on your wall. Imagine running around searching for notes the night before. Terrible idea. Collect all notebooks, past papers, guides, and reference books. Make sure your pens, pencils, erasers, and ruler are ready. Keep everything in one box or bag so nothing goes missing. Just reading is not enough. You need active revision. Use flashcards for quick facts like formulas or dates. Teach a friend, or even your pillow. Explaining helps memory. Make mind maps to connect ideas, like the water cycle or electricity flow. Try practice questions daily. Here's a secret: teachers usually repeat patterns. Look at past exam papers to spot common questions. Highlight topics that teachers repeated in class. Revise formulas, definitions, and diagrams, they carry marks. Your brain is like a car, it needs good fuel. Eat light but healthy food, fruits, nuts, vegetables. Sleep at least 7 to 8 hours so your brain can store knowledge. Take short breaks every 25 minutes, Pomodoro technique. Do simple stretches to avoid stress. A calm mind writes better than a worried one. Avoid comparing yourself with others, focus on your progress. Do breathing exercises when you feel nervous. Write positive affirmations like, "I am ready. I can do this." Want to know the best way to prepare? Pretend it's exam day. Set a timer for 1 to 2 hours. Write answers without looking at notes. Check where you're weak and fix it before the real exam. On exam day, don't be the student who forgets their pen. Pack your bag a night before. Admit card, ID, stationery. Carry a water bottle. Reach the exam center early to avoid panic. The night before exams is for calm, not chaos. Revise only key points, not the entire book. Sleep on time. Pulling an all-nighter reduces memory. Trust your preparation. Start exam day like a champion. Wake up early. Eat a light breakfast. Revise flashcards for 10 to 15 minutes, not hours. Walk into the exam hall confident and smiling. So, before exams, don't just study, plan, prepare, and take care of yourself. Remember, exams are not about stressing, they are about showing what you already know. Do these things and you'll walk into the exam hall confident. If you found these tips helpful, hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more study success tips.